It's Christmas Day, it's Christmas Day, it's Christmas Day, it's Christmas Day. Yeah, I can't sing. But it is Christmas Day. We have one final day of our advent calendar. I cannot believe it's come around so fast. We have one day left. I hope you're having a really good day. I hope that you got everything you wanted and, you know, just love and everything you ever wanted. So if you want to see what is in this final day, keep on watching. Day 25. Finally, we have the Priscilla flower, the perfect flower for all occasions, a big statement for everything, whether it be felt or a fascinator. Okay, so this is the Priscilla. Oh, oh, she is huge. She's big. That is a big flower. So let me bring her up on the website. So this comes from the website. So Priscilla is their largest and most flamboyant millinery flower. It's made of giant floaty organza and silk petals with a velvet accent petals at the centre. They advise putting two together on a base or a headband for an instant statement hat. This is gorgeous. Oh my word. It is. So it's around 10 inches wide when it's splayed out. Once again, probably wise to just pop it over some steam. It also has, if you can see here, I don't know if you can see, there's a wire, so it helps with shaping that flower out to get like a wider splay effect, I suppose you could say. You know, especially if you're putting some together, you know, you want to bring these up so then you don't lose that effect of the flower. This is gorgeous, and it has like the calyx at the bottom, and it's obviously wrapped. So it's a very short stem, but beautiful flower, beautiful flower. So this retails for £15. It also comes in. So this is clear. This is the bright pink. Oh, is this the bright pink? The bright pink. Or is that coral pink? I'm not sure. I can't. It's either the bright pink or the coral pink. But it also comes in an ivory. It comes in an off-white. There's a red and black. The red and black is beautiful as well. Oh, that is beautiful. I actually think this is the coral. I think this is the coral pink, actually, and it is beautiful. It is really pretty. So imagine, you know, oh, yeah, sold. Thank you very much. I'm done. This is gorgeous, and it's beautiful ending to this advent calendar. Oh my word, absolute beautiful ending to this advent calendar. Beautiful. Oh, you know, it's massive. Look, it's huge. It's nearly as big as my face. Nearly as big as my face. So last question of the day is, what did you get for Christmas? So I'm actually pre-filming these, and as you can probably tell from everything, it's not actually Christmas yet. All I do have my tree up, and that's staying up until Christmas. So I am pre-filming these, so I don't actually know what I'm getting for Christmas. I have my list. I have been a good boy, so hopefully I was on my list. But whatever it is, you know, at least I don't care as long as I've got him at the end of the day. So this is the end of the advent calendar. I wanted to say a massive, massive shout out to all the ladies at Petershams for helping me put this together. You guys have been amazing. This little story thread through this entire unboxing has been amazing, and I can't thank you enough. Like, you girls, you've all been amazing. I mean, I expect nothing less. You know, you've always pulled out all the stops, not just for me, for all the customers. I've never once heard anything bad, so thank you so much for helping me put this together. Thank you very much to every single one of you that has watched this video and watched all of the videos. And if you've missed any videos, that's fine. Just go back. There is a playlist in the description box below, so you'd be able to watch any of them that you have missed. I am obviously speaking in the past for the future. So what I'm about to do now is probably enjoy my 7th glass of whatever may be put in my hand. So I hope you all have a really amazing, wonderful Christmas. I hope it's been everything you wished for and more. And there'll be no more videos from me now until about early March. So hit that notification. So first of all, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like this video, share any of my videos, share all the videos, comment on everything. Keep them all coming. Keep this channel growing, and I'll be back with you with tutorials, hopefully some interviews in the new year. Looking at kind of probably mid-March, I'll be sort of like starting to release videos, and hopefully a schedule that I'll be able to upload with as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon.